This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lieb. This is probably the best BT in this price range, simply smashing 1930s Key West style courtyard BUIDLING with charm and character, totally rebuilt in 1999. Unit is small yet very special. Central air, washer/dryer in unit, dishwasher, 1 parking space, windows on 3 sides. A wonderful gated and enchanting common yard for a total of 8 units. Close to shopping, beach and nightlife. Additional pet deposit required. All candidates must have excellent credit and references. For more information, review the details below or contact Lieb at 954-315-6000.